The next section, we'll have a look at using the background map. The next several lessons will be focused on inspecting data. So I'll go back to my lab. And in this case, we'll finally get around to inspecting the public art data that we've written. So I'll click public art to select it, and then I'll click view written data. That button will take the data that we've written and we'll read it in and show it in data preview. So we're not inspecting a data cache. And in fact, you'll notice that writer feature types don't have a cache available, because instead of inspecting a cache, we can just read the data that was written directly. So I'm inspecting the public art data from the geodatabase by clicking view written data. Now, the machines on our virtual machines here, they already have a background map enabled. So you'll see in the graphics view, your data is displayed against a background map. That is actually not the default in FME. By default, there wouldn't be a background map, but I can show you how to turn them on and off and switch anyway. You can use this button here. That will show you the different display options, or you can right-click graphics view and go to background map. So you'll see right now, we have a display background map option, and then we have 3 different maps. So if I turn off the background map, we'll just see the points. Not as useful, generally, I would say. It's good to have a bit more context. So I'll turn that on. And then if we wanted to change the background map, we can just do, maybe default terrain instead, like this. And if we wanted to add a new background map, we can choose that option, switch to new background map. And from here, you can see the different options we have available. A lot of common web mapping or tile services are available here, many of which require either access to a server that is hosting them or an API key for paid services. One option that's quite nice as well is there's the others option, which you can see basically just puts a reader here. So what you can do in this case is define any data that FME can read. You can read in, and that will be displayed as a background map for you. That's all there is for this lesson. Pretty straightforward. Inspect your public art data by clicking this button, and then have a look at the background map and practice changing it. Go ahead and work on that lesson for about 5 minutes.